Hi there, my name is Seva, and I'm the co-founder of ABC Digital Downloads app for Shopify. With our app, you're able to customize your email templates exactly to your liking, so when customers make a purchase on their site, they'll get an email with all their download files and information relevant to their order. As you can see here, here's an example of one of the emails that gets sent out that has direct links to download all their files. In this video, I'll show you how to make those edits in just a few easy steps. The first thing you'll want to do is go ahead and head over to the ABC Digital Downloads app and click on Settings. Once you've clicked on Settings, go ahead and scroll down to the bottom where you'll see our email templates. We currently have two email templates that you're able to customize. The first is the order download links, and this is the email that gets sent out when someone makes a purchase with direct files to their order that they can just click on and download to their computer. Our second email is the file update notification, which gets sent out to customers if a file has been updated that was linked to their order. We'll go ahead and show you how to customize both emails. For the order download links, we have two buttons here. You can either edit the template, which will allow you to make customizations directly in our drag and drop email editor, or you can restore the default template. In this case, we'll go ahead and click on Edit Template. And we're brought to our easy to use email editor here. Now, we have a couple of different sections as part of the editor. The first is a subject line that you can edit, and this will be what the customer first sees when the email lands in their inbox. In this case, we have a default subject line that we use. We also have our available variables that you're able to set. And these are going to be all the variables that you can use throughout your email, including the name of your customer, first name, order number, and download links, which are the direct links to your files. And if we scroll a little bit further down, this is our visual email editor. Now, as part of our template we have set up here, we can see that we have our first name. So, hi, first name. Thank you for your purchase. Your digital download is ready. You can use it. You can access it using the link below. And here we have our download links, which if they have one file, would just be one link. If they have multiple files, will be a collection of links that they can access. And just some more default content below that. A couple quick things if we want to make some edits. For example, if we want to add a logo to our email, we can go ahead and drag and drop the image block exactly where we like it. Click on the image, and we can go ahead and upload our image file here, which in this case we'll go ahead and do. And as you can see, just like that, we're able to update our email template and add our logo or image to the header of the template. Super easy. Now we have a field here, which is hi name. And let's just say we want to use a first name instead of their full name for the order. We can go ahead and go up to variables, copy our first name variable, and go ahead and paste that into here. And there we go. And now the email will just be their first name. We can also go ahead and edit some of our links down below. If we want to go ahead and change our footer links, so if we want to just say best, and this will be defaulted to your store name as well, so that should automatically update, but you can change that as you like. We're able to change the fonts here, so we can say make this bold, for example. We can underline it. We can add links, change the colors, all the easy things that we can do in the email editor. And if we want, we can add social links down below to link to our social media platforms. All these things can be done within the email editor. And if we don't want it, we can go ahead and just click on it and click the delete button. Now, once we're happy with our email template, we can just go ahead and click save. And this email, as you can see, has been successfully updated. So now whenever a customer makes a purchase on your store, this will be the template that they get for their emails. Now we have a second template as well that we can edit, which is the file update notification. And the way that this template works is if you update a file that's linked to a product, your customers will receive a notification that that file has been updated so they can download the new version of a file. For example, if you're updating a PDF with new content and you want to make sure that your customers always have the latest version. And same thing, we can go ahead and click Edit Template and make those edits here in our visual editor as well. And here we have just a few more variables that we included. We included the file size here. So we've updated the file name, file size for your recent order, and you can go ahead and download the updated version now. We added a button and which we went ahead and linked using our available variables here for the download URL. Went ahead and made a link to the button here. And if we want to go ahead and change anything, same thing, drag and drop, add a logo here, for example. Go ahead and do that. Very easy. And once we're happy with those settings, we can go ahead and click save. And the email template that gets sent out for file update notifications, they're linked to the files that are found in the product section. So if we go to products, go ahead and click on one of our products and click into one of our files, for example, we can go ahead and replace that file with an updated version, for example, and then your customers will receive that update file notification. And that's how easy it is to create and edit email templates in the ABC Digital Downloads app for Shopify. Happy selling!